I'm Master Shreyas. Do you recognize me? Yes, I'm from the same apartment, Silver Waves Royal. Yesterday, it was initiated that the garbage disposal should be done properly. So, this video is a demonstrative video about garbage disposal. So friends, you can see these 4 large bins. So these bins should be used only for dry waste. Dry waste in the sense plastic covers, wrappers and your daily wastes. They should be dropped in this bin. The diapers. These diapers should be dropped in this yellow bin. Next, plastic bottles and medical waste. Please drop plastic bottles and medical waste in this red dustbin. Tender coconuts and coconut shells. Please drop them in this blue bin. Next, carton boxes. Crush these carton boxes and drop them in this bin. So friends, I hope you have understood how the garbage disposal should be done in our apartment. And let's maintain cleanliness from today only. Thank you friends. Bye.